Meet the future of Lamborghini, the Sián FKP 37. This beast is Lamborghini's first ever hybrid hypercar, and it's absolutely insane. Under the hood, you get a 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with a supercapacitor-powered electric boost. That means a mind-blowing max power of 819 CV, 602 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, just 2.8 seconds. Top speed, over 350 kilometers per hour. But here's the crazy part. Instead of a traditional battery, Lamborghini uses a supercapacitor, making it lighter and delivering power instantly. The design, pure sci-fi. Sharp angles, aggressive stance, and those iconic Y-shaped headlights make it look like it came straight out of the future. Only 63 coupes were ever made, making it insanely rare and exclusive. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into Lamborghini's electrified future. Would you drive this masterpiece?